Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're taking the corners cross. We're going to move those from the brooders to the chicken tractor and get everything set up with the waters, the feeders. And I still don't have the feeders that I want or the waters I want. I'm not necessarily sure on the waters that I do want to put in there. If I want to put what they call automatic water, with PVC pipe, and you have the self drip systems. I don't know if I want to do that. Just basic, hang the water in there. Either way, you're carrying a 5 gallon bucket of water to the chicken tractor, or you have some long hoses that you're bringing out there. You have to supply water to them. So the self watering systems, to me, um, they look good, but they're, you know, you're filling up. Uh, you're filling a water, which is anywhere from a 1 gallon, 3 gallon, 5 gallon. You're filling that up, or you're filling a 5 gallon bucket up that's going to have a self drip system that feeds the chickens their water. It doesn't matter. Either way, you're taking something out there to take and fill the item up to supply water. So I don't know what's better for them. This is going to be a learning experience. As far as the feeders, uh, Monday, I'm going in and into town grabbing 2 5 gallon feeders for them. Those will probably just be stationary on the ground. And then as we move the chicken tractors, just have to pick them up off the chicken tractor, place them on top, move the chicken tractor, and then place them back in. So I don't see there being too much of any complication with that right there. Um, but with everything said and done, they look nice, they look healthy, and they look like they're ready to get moved on to here. And these are nice and healthy. I mean, yeah. We have a couple of small ones, but not many. Healthy, very very healthy. Now again, this is not for them. Follow them to stay in here. I have another chicken tractor just like this that we just threw together, and that'll be our second one that will run side by side. Have a few more I have to go get. So they're eating good. You're going to see them. You're really going to start seeing packing on weight on a daily basis. Um, so approximately 4 weeks from today, we should be processing. And I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done it before. So the only thing I have to go on is YouTube channels and books. And then they have some really good YouTube channels that go in depth. Um, some kind of stay away from the actual unaliving of the chick. Some go up right up to it, explain where to cut, um, and the two lines that you have to cut on. Um, I found a couple of them that were real helpful, and some of them, they go up to that part, they fade out, and then they go right up to scalding and defeathering. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous. Not gonna lie, I'm not nervous on processing them. I'm not nervous on that. I'm nervous on I want to do it the right way and giving these birds the next 4 weeks of a lot of grass, a lot of worms, um, and you know it makes me feel good. Knows that I know that my family's getting a quality bird, good meat, not no store bought packaged item that's filled with steroids and all kind of other stuff. So this is I've been waiting for this. So all right, let's see how this goes. I'm excited. And again, the feeders have probably changed. The feeders are probably taking put across, remember, from here to midsection where I can hook the feeders on. They stay off the ground. The waters, I'm okay with the water staying on the ground. I plan on getting two, either 3 or 5 gallon versions of these with a top handle. You just set them in, one for each chicken tractor. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing. This was all used stuff except for the top gate. I ran out of wood. Everything else on this chicken tractor is used. Nothing was bought new. So you don't have to have these big fancy um, chicken tractors they're coming out with. You got the rollers on them where you step up and it helps you. Yeah, I guess it does make it easier, but it's really nothing to pull this on by yourself or back up the four-wheeler side by side and pull it forward. I plan on pulling it, by hand. If my daughter's doing it, my wife's doing it, they'll get the four-wheeler or side by side and take and pull it forward. So I look forward to this happening. Time for them pigs.